4K clarity, pocket-sized power. Meet your ultimate vlogging and photography sidekick. Say goodbye to blurry shots and pixelated memories. The Zostuic 4K digital camera is here to level up your photography and vlogging game. With stunning 48MP resolution, 4K Ultra HD video, and autofocus anti-shake technology, every shot is crystal clear, every video smooth as butter. The 3 inches, 180 degrees flip screen makes selfies and vlogs a breeze, while the 16x zoom captures everything from breathtaking landscapes to up-close details. Compact, lightweight, and beginner-friendly, this is the camera that makes you look like a pro, without the pro price tag. Get yours today and start capturing magic. This isn't just a camera, it's a content creation powerhouse. Whether you're shooting YouTube videos, vlogging, or snapping Insta-worthy shots, the built-in flash and digital image stabilization ensures stunning results in any lighting. The pause function means you can stop and restart recording without messy edits, while slow motion and time-lapse modes unlock cinematic creativity. Want to live stream? Use it as a webcam for crisp, high-res video calls and content creation. It's portable, powerful, and packed with pro-level features, all without breaking the bank. Why waste time and money on bulky DSLRs or overpriced phones when you can get 4K quality in the palm of your hand? The Zostuic 4K camera comes with 2 rechargeable batteries and a 32GB memory card, so you're always ready to shoot. The charging cradle powers both the camera and battery simultaneously, keeping you charged and ready for action. No more running out of battery mid-shot, no more deleting old photos just to make space. More storage, more power, more fun, without extra spending. Built for travel, built to last, this palm-sized powerhouse is lightweight, durable, and easy to carry, so you can capture every adventure without the bulk. The rugged, anti-drop design means it withstands the hustle of daily life, while the high-quality CMOS sensor ensures pro-grade clarity. Unlike other cameras that feel outdated in a year, this one is future-proof, with expandable accessories like tripods, external mics, and more. A camera that grows with you? Now that's a smart investment. If you want mind-blowing 4K videos, 48MP photos, and pro features, all without the crazy price tag, this is the ultimate choice. Whether you're a beginner, traveler, vlogger, or creative soul, this camera makes every shot count. Click Add to Cart now and start capturing life like never before.